Anyone driving near 23-mile and Mound roads has no doubt noticed a difference on the grounds of the old Ford Visteon plant. But engineers from Dragon Corporation are more interested in what is in the ground at and near the site.
Uh, Yesterday, my field crew and one of our subcontractors were out on the Grand Sakwa side of the property, which is immediately east of the Ford Visteon plant. And basically, these guys laid out what we know as a grid, which will help them plot out what we call a non-invasive study of part of the property that's located east of the Ford Visteon plant.
As engineers seek the sources of a possible contamination plume, their investigation includes groundwater flows underneath the plant even while it is currently being demolished.
The reason we study groundwater flow is because it's groundwater that's the agent that actually pushes chemicals from point A to point B. So if we understand the direction of groundwater flow, we understand the depth of groundwater flow, if we can understand the speed of groundwater flow, then we can understand how far a chemical, any chemical that's really existing in one part of groundwater, basically where it's going and how fast it's moving and how long it takes to get from point A to point B. So right now that's the focus of the study at the Visteon property.
Away from the plant, engineers are using technology like this souped-up metal detector as they investigate what is underground in properties surrounding the plant.
On the Grand Sakwa property, we consider a non-invasive study, because we're using non-invasive techniques. In other words, the techniques that we are using don't require that we dig up the ground. We basically can walk the surface of the ground with our equipment and collect information that way.